You plan to wake up early, get a quick workout and do one solid hour of deep work on your business before your 9 to 5, but instead you rolled over, checked your phone and hit snooze on your alarm. And suddenly it's 7:45 AM and you're rushing to get dressed and get ready for work. This isn't a time management issue, it's a dopamine trap and it's quietly killing your morning routine. I'm Thomas, I'm a medical doctor and my most productive hour of the day is my mornings. This video is going to show you how to break your current morning routine and build your mornings for momentum, focus and discipline. Mornings are a prime time for your brain. Your willpower is high, your mind is clear, and there's no decision fatigue. This is why morning deep work is a superpower for side hustlers. But here's the catch. The first thing you do after waking programs your brain's reward system for the rest of the day. So if the first thing you hit is dopamine-rich distractions, YouTube, TikTok, then your brain gets hijacked. It now starts chasing stimulation over focus. Your ability to sit down after work, gone. Let's say you open your eyes in the morning and immediately check Instagram or your DMs. Boom, you've given your brain a cheap dopamine hit. The problem is your brain now expects every activity to give it that same level of reward. So when you go and sit down in your business, writing, editing, creating, that feels boring and heavy in comparison. This trains your brain to resist deep work. Your mornings become a battle between high ambition but low execution. So here's the fix, a simple 4-step dopamine-free morning routine. Step 1 is no dopamine before work. No phone, no socials, no email until your first deep work block is done. This sets the tone for a focused, proactive brain, not a reactive one. Number 2, give yourself some light and movement within 10 minutes of waking up. Walk outside or at least open the blinds. Natural light spikes your cortisol level, resets your circadian rhythm, gives you energy to wake up. For movement, you could just go for a walk, you could do some air squats or push-ups. Number 3, do your proactive deep work first. Do this before you open your emails or do any work prep. Number 4, reward after effort. Once you've completed your deep work, give yourself something rewarding like a cup of coffee or a nice breakfast. This teaches your brain effort equals reward, not the other way around. And here's a bonus step you can do to really lock this habit in. At night before going to bed, you can ask yourself 3 questions. What was the first thing I did after waking up? Did I earn my dopamine in the mornings or did I consume it? And how focused did I feel? This takes 3 minutes, but it gives you those 1% improvements. I've built a free dopamine morning tracker and the link is in the pinned comment. If you constantly feel stuck in the pattern of tomorrow I'll get up early and do that work, this is the pattern that's stopping you. Resetting your dopamine in the mornings isn't about denying yourself all pleasures. It's just about doing simple things like flipping the order, doing the effort first, then the reward. Don't start your days with a dopamine debt. Start with discipline and watch what happens. If you found value in this video, then subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.